Hi, let me tell you about Big Buttons. Big Buttons is an iPhone app that you use to control your Mac. For this, you need to download the server. So go to bigbuttonsapp.com, and you see down here we have looking for the server. So click that and download it. Now this is a zip file, so just extract that and out pops a standard Mac operating system application. So drag that to your applications folder and run it. So when you run the server, it lists out all the buttons that will show up on your phone. So these on the left hand side we see the available buttons, and these are all the different commands that come with Big Buttons to start off with, like answer Skype, skip to next song, up, down, left, right. And on the right hand side we see these are the buttons that we've selected to show on the phone, and this is how they will be displayed on the phone. So I can drag from the left hand side over here, or I can drag it around. Okay, so let me run the iPhone app to show you what this looks like. First time you run Big Buttons on the iPhone, you need to pair it up with the Mac. So put in this number, and we're connected. So now I can hit these buttons and we'll call commands on the server so that these commands happen. So play or pause Spotify, for example, volume up, down, skip to next track. Or we've got a button here which lets you play and pause YouTube videos, or BBC iPlayer. Other buttons are Skype, VLC, iTunes. Now how this works is that whenever you press one of these buttons, it calls the relevant AppleScript command for each of these buttons. So that means that if you know AppleScript, then you can write your own buttons. So to demonstrate, if you hit this Open Big Buttons folder button, it lists out directories which correspond with the various buttons that you see. So arrow down, for example, that has the arrow down AppleScript command, a configuration file, and an icon. So that's all there is to Big Buttons. It's pretty simple. It lets you run AppleScript commands on your Mac. You can connect to other Macs if you have more than one, just by hitting this button in the bottom right hand corner. Thank you for watching.